Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest and in-depth product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the realm of birthday decorations, particularly those tailored for the distinguished gentleman in our lives. Get ready, because we're about to explore the best happy birthday men decorations on the market.
Introducing the ANSOMO Blue and Black Happy Birthday Party Decorations.
This set is more than just your average party kit. It's a celebration waiting to happen. Crafted with precision and designed with style, this collection is a testament to the art of birthday decor.
Let's break down what makes this kit stand out. First up, we have the Happy Birthday banner, featuring flags measuring approximately 4.5 by 6.3 inches each.
It's the perfect way to announce the occasion in style. But that's just the beginning.
Next, we have the premium quality balloons.
These aren't your ordinary balloons. They're thick 12 latex balloons in black, dark blue, light blue, and even confetti-filled varieties. With a total of 30 pieces, you'll have enough to fill any room with joy.
And let's not forget about the tissue pom-poms.
Available in black, navy blue, and blue, these 10-inch beauties add a touch of elegance to any celebration. With 6 pom-poms included, you can sprinkle them throughout your party space for a burst of color. But perhaps my favorite part of this kit is the foil fringe curtain.
Measuring 3.3 by 6.5 feet, this shimmering blue curtain is an instant mood lifter.
Whether you hang it on the door, under the arch, or as a backdrop on the wall, it's guaranteed to elevate your party decor to the next level.
Now, here's what sets this blue and black themed decor apart: its versatility.
Whether you're celebrating a 13th, 30th, or even an 80th birthday, this kit has you covered. It's designed to suit men and boys of all ages, making it the ultimate choice for any milestone celebration. To recap, the ANSOMO Blue and Black Happy Birthday Party decorations offer everything you need to create an unforgettable celebration. From the stylish banner and premium balloons to the elegant pom-poms and shimmering curtain, every detail is crafted with care. So, if you're looking to make a statement at your next birthday bash, look no further than this incredible kit. With ANSOMO, you're not just throwing a party, you're creating memories that will last a lifetime.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy decorating!